Hey guys, I'm showing you this Auoon clip-on strainer. We received this as a sample to test and try. So this fits for all pot pans. So let's see. It's a silicone colander with a food strainer. Can be used for multiple purpose like for pasta, spaghetti, brie, for heat resistant strainer. So can be used anywhere from the first impression. So this is a good silicone, thick and nicely. It can be washed easily and is a dishwasher safe. So these clips are all silicone from the top, so it can go on the pan and then you can just stain or use it the way. So as it can fit in all design, so this is a universal design and can be used on any pan. So I just put it on this pan and you can see this fits really well from the side. I'm just put in some water and see like how this comes up. So this comes only from this holes, nothing is coming out from here. So this holds really well, all the solid things will hold up and then the water will come out. So this is a nice design, a nice strainer.